Okay, I want you to take a look at this. Whoa, weather, one of the biggest snowstorms this year, slamming several states. This is out of Iowa, a snowplow clearing roads, to try to keep drivers safe. Mariel Ruiz is here with a look at how this storm is impacting other parts of the country. And, it is a stark reminder we still got some winter left to go.
We still have winter left, and it's February. It's still very much a cold month, and I want to show you some of those cold conditions across the country that have made it as far south as, well, Texas, but not quite as cold as Bismarck this morning. Negative 25 degrees, -6 in Minneapolis, Omaha at -5. So areas in Iowa where we showed you that video, temperatures are hovering right around 0. That's why we have cold weather advisories as well as extreme cold warnings in place. And on the western side of that, you see the winter storm warning, winter weather advisories. Now, specifically, that storm system now moving off towards the northeast. That's why there are winter weather advisories in place extending from New York towards Maine. That's where the system is now. The southern side of that is where we see some of the severe weather that we saw yesterday. So there's storm system number 2 of the week. There's storm system number 3. I'm going to take you in here and show you where that snow is now, mostly in Canada, but ice now in upstate New York and snow across areas of Maine. That threat for severe weather that we talked about yesterday actually played out. Areas like Columbia, Mississippi saw the tornado activity yesterday, and now that line continues to work its way into Atlanta. Now what we're going to see there, flash flood watches in place, and unfortunately that threat is going to continue for the next few hours, but it does eventually lean up, and that happens later today. Meanwhile, areas of the West Coast dealing with the heaviest rain of the season. Areas like Los Angeles picking up anywhere between 3 to 6 inches of rain. Just north of that, 2 to 4 inches, and snow also across the higher terrain. So very busy, not just in North Texas, but across the country. Back to you.
All right, boy, it is still winter. We're reminded every day, Mariel. Thank you for that.